Your foam roller is not breaking up anything. That satisfying crackle you hear? That's not fascia snapping free. Because human fascia is roughly as strong as steel cable, and your body weight on a piece of foam isn't going to tear it apart. Here's the myth. Foam rolling physically breaks up adhesions, scar tissue, and knots in your fascia. It's the story behind every hurt so good Instagram reel. But the biomechanics don't support it. Fascia has tensile strength comparable to steel, and researchers have found no evidence that rolling physically separates tissue. So what's actually happening when you roll? The evidence points to your nervous system. Rolling stimulates mechanoreceptors, pressure sensors in your muscles and skin, which temporarily dial down the stretch reflex and reduce pain perception. That's why you feel looser immediately after. Your brain is changing how it interprets tension, not because the tissue physically changed. Studies show foam rolling temporarily increases range of motion and tissue tolerance through these neural mechanisms. The effects are real, they're just not structural. They last minutes to hours, not days. Even the gurus quietly agree now. The melt your fascia language is marketing, not physiology. So keep rolling if it feels good. It's a solid warm-up tool. Just don't expect it to remodel your tissue. Verdict: foam rolling changes your nervous system's tolerance, not your fascia structure.